Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, we will be creating a function to simulate a dice roll and guess the results. You can think of this as a simple game that we are designing using Python. We want to compare the sum of two dice rolls to a guess that we have made. If we guess the sum correctly, we win. If not, we lose. To start with, our function needs a way to simulate randomness. So we will import the random module so that we can get random integers that represent each value on a die. Our function also needs an input function to enter our own guess, the sum function, a comparison operator to compare our guess to the result, as well as a print statement along with the formatted string to output the result. Let's start building our function. The first thing we will do is define our function. We will call this function diceRollGuess, and this function does not take any input values. Next, we will start by creating our first roll. Remember that both rolls need to be random. We can use the random_randint function. This function will return to us a random integer based on the start and end that we specify. The smallest integer on a die is 1 and the largest is 6, so these will be our start and end values. Now we need to simulate our second roll. Now we need to add the two variables of the computer's dice roll. Now we need to write an input function that prompts the user to enter their guess. We need to wrap the input function with int since the input always gets returned as a string data type and we want to compare it with an integer. This will convert the input type to an integer. Now we have created a way for the user to input their guess. The final variable that we need to create will be called result. We will use string formatting within the print statement. If the user guesses the correct sum, the result will equal the string win. Otherwise, result will equal the string lose. Now it's time to test out our function. We are going to guess 8 for this example. Our guess was 8 and the sum of the computer's two rolls was 9. You lose. Better luck next time. And this is how you would simulate a dice roll and guess the result in Python. For more lessons on data science and analytics, don't forget to subscribe.